I'm Lamb Chop. This here's my world. Shit, far and hot damn, we gonna have ourselves a drag race. Gyrate, gesticulate, and take care of business, you know what I'm saying. Lamb Chop's World, Smoky Mountain Edition. Up on a little river trail around the Oakmont area. We're gonna try to find this little hidden cabin. Ain't no signs for on the call the name of Avent cabin. I do all sorts of shit. It's not all cars. I love being in the mountains and walking around and finding new stuff that nobody has seen yet. Got my tenderloin with me. She's gonna do a little hiking. Gonna head up this yonder trail. See if we can find it. I'll show you what we find. Ooh, all uphill on this little bastard. But we found the secret hidden step. So everybody walks by and everybody notices. Check them out down there. That's how you know you're on the right path to the Avent cabin. That shit's pretty steep too, like creepy steep. And thick. I don't see that bad bird. Very thick. Look at that mouse. Like a damn jungle. We're finna go down there and see if we can find this cabin. They say down here is one of the longest footbridges in the park. We're gonna dig on that too. You found it. That is a pretty damn long bridge. Good God, Gertie, look at that. Goes off into the jungle over there, and we're gonna follow it. See if we can't find this dang old place. It's kind of creepy. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, it definitely moves a little. Very nice, very nice. Oh, the serenity. Yeah, it's definitely given as I walk on it. I don't think it's been maintained in a spell. Kind of gives you the willies. Look up there in the woods. There it is, the cabin we're looking for. The secret Avent cabin. You see it, baby? We're on our way now, by golly. I don't know if I want to film walking on this. It's kind of creepy. Yuka booka. Well, it's even skinnier and scrawnier over here. Well, it's holding on by prayers and whispers. Watch that handrail, love. There's a woolly worm right there. On here. Come on down. See where my phone is?
Yeah.
That thing will get you. We made it across that like nobody's business. Regular mountain men, if you will. Me and my baby. Crossing bridges. Oh man, we done it. We are ascending the climb up the slippery, slippery rocks. Saw all sorts of millipedes. Tried to carry off babies and old people. Ooh. We are going to make it up this climb. Ooh. There's a cool ass cabin up here we ain't never seen before. And we seen a bunch of them up in these parts. Have to pardon this fancy camera work. They got signs up all over saying the bears are highly active in the area. So I opted for the short socks so I could be the tube sock strangler. Look at that cabin. Whew. Still a little higher, but we'll get there. Ain't that something to be hidden, tucked up in her? We made it. Mystery solved. Whew. This old gal got to stay on here with a lifetime lease when they purchased the park. She was an artist. I think she stayed up here as her summer home from the 20s to the 40s. Now I guess it got passed down to the granddaughter, and she was able to stay up around here and come and visit and such until 92. That'd be a hell of a place to hang your hat, huh? Let's go up there and see it. If I recall, we gotta slip up around the back, and we got rocks or something holding the door shut, or supposed to. We'll hope there's no greasy hobos in there. Look at that holding up that mess. And a tin roof. He said it's hidden on the porch of my tin roof shack. You want to see Rock City, baby? Look out back. It's a bad, bad mother. Ooh. Ooh. Did you see any hobos in there?
Nope.
I felt like a ghost just walked by my head and went, whoa. That's creepy.
Made it mad.
Let's move this rock. Breach on 3, love. 1, 2, 3. What we got? An old bed. Very, very, very cool. Ain't that something? Got the corner cupboard. Got a little broom. Maybe I'll do some sweeping. Some of this refuse out of here. Got an upstairs up there. Some kind of lofty loft. Pretty awesome. What do you think, Mama? Could you live in here? Oh, that'll hold you. That was built by expert craftsmen. If it don't, it should have. What do you see up there?
Another bed frame and a desk.
Ooh. Oh man, what a view out the window, huh? I guess I could become an artist if that was my view. Even cooler is ain't a damn soul around. I mean, how neato is that? Nobody come up here, huh? Some big ass boards on them walls, huh? Big logs. Let's go on the front porch there, Mama, and see what's happening. Move this rock too. It's this fine mechanism. Oh, would you look at that? Oh, beautiful. Oh, you feel that breeze? Man, why didn't I bring the banjo? There's another little room over there. Must be where they put the corn and potatoes. Or did they store the smeat in there? Is there any smeat in there? What do you think's in there, love? Dare we find out? Open her up and let's see. Oh, there's a stove. A sink of sorts. Another back door. There's that sign that says, don't be letting the mice up in here. Oh, this is where the book is. Has the old timey pictures. We'll have to look through this. I bet that's really cool. Should be some pictures of what it used to look like back in the day. Dang, we winds are blowing out there. Look, that's when someone was living in it. Flip the book. Jangity dang dang. Propane tanks and all. That is cool. That is really cool. It's on the Tennessee Historical Commission. That's a picture she drew like back in the 20s, I do believe it said. Pretty cool. Oh, we got books here with all sorts of signatures. We're going to have to sign it. All right. I'll take care of that. Look, somebody shot the hell out of that pot. Avent, Kevin. Lamb chops world. That's a big old bear. He's digging in the trash over there. Holy macaronis. Did you see that? Holy shit. Get the gun, baby. There he goes. That's a big boy.